Okay. Nag-enjoy na mo sa itong coordinating activity this afternoon?
Yes.
Okay, sige ha. Next year, mas labaw pa din sa kabibo ang ato ang himuon. Ay every gaining period, nahalatay coordinating activity sa tanang subjects. Okay, dili lang ang mapping. So, tanang subjects na grade 9 departments. Agoy! Labanan kayo. No, point 1 lang ang ligas. Therefore, indot ang performance sa kada section. Ang Zumba song for us. Please na mag-works. Okay, 7th place. Okay, with a score of 227, the combined score of the four judges. 3 judges. Okay, 7th place goes to grade 9, Prudence. Ang sabi ng Prudence, place with an average score of 229. From grade 9, Fortitude. 5th place with average score of 246. From grade 9, Temperance. I know. 5th place, 236 di ay. 236, grade 9, Justice. 4th place, with average score of 238. Okay, total score of 238. Grade 9, Faith. Place, with a total score of 246. We have grade 9, Temperance. Place with a total score of 247. Okay, hope or love?
Love!
Okay. Ano ang pipiliin nyo? Love or love? Okay. Siyempre, kung ay pag-asa na ako'y gugma.
Tay! Tay!
Grade 9!
Love!
Okay. Cigarette smoking is dangerous to your health. Hope! Grade